Meeting call to order. Poetry prayer by Ocean Disaster.
O God, creator of all things, father of mankind, we thank thee for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary, based on high ideals of morality. We implore thee to help us Rotarians meeting here, to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit, and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars in color, creed, and clime, for the removal of economic and social barriers, and for the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and the dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship, and unite round thy holy feet, and hail thee as thou really art, our one, true, eternal, and all loving Father.
Please. Thank you, David Roshan. I welcome all our members to this special meeting. We have stepped into the second month. We completed 1 month successfully with the help of you all. And I welcome members of Zoom. Once again, I welcome all the members. And communication. The secretary has come. No. You just note it down. Communication. So there will be a Zoom meeting every week conducted by the district by different topics. So better thereafter I forward all the communication things which I get from the district to our club WhatsApp group. So if anyone free, you all can join the meeting, and really it's very useful meeting nowadays. And this week Madurai Muthu is going to participate in the meeting, almost 2 hours meeting. That I will send it to you also. And minutes are the last meeting by the secretary.
Minutes of the meeting. Venue, residence of Rotarian Prabhat. Go Green project was inaugurated by planting a Timla fig plant. Meeting called to order at 5:15 p.m. Poetry prayer by Ann Ajay. Anand Ajay. Welcome speech by President Rotarian B.S. Ramesh, followed by minutes of the last meeting by the Secretary Rotarian Ajit. Go Green Chair Rotarian Sanjay had presented the following speech. Explained that the following saplings such as navel, tamarind, Jamaican cherry could be planted from 100 plants in Erkat on the 6th August. Permission to be obtained from DFO's Salem range to throw seed clay ball between first and second bends. Rotarian Sanjay had discussed with forest officials and availability of plants which were insufficient. Rotarian Mohan Rajesh was willing to give around 500 plants for the Go Green project, and Sanjay was to coordinate. These plants to be planted in a suitable area. He also mentioned not to plant jack trees at guard roads as this will attract elephants. It was felt by Rotarians that if Go Green is a zonal project, then we can plant around 5,000 saplings and we can approach officials to hand over revenue land to forest and we can plant trees. Rotary Board. Regarding Rotary Welcome Board, it will be sponsored by Rotarian Shiny and Rotarian Suresh. The cost of this board will be approximately 6,000. This board will be installed at the 20th bend. The date of fixing the board will be informed to the members. Let us thank Rotarian Shiny and Suresh. Sagamanithan by Rotarian Siju. Request Rotarian Dr. Thompson to give awareness to COVID-19 positive patients. Once they return after treatment, generally they avoid to meet them. Old clothes, mattress, blankets and other useful items suitable to distribute to the poor to be collected and given to Water Shobha. 3. Rotarian Mohan wanted to give good quality toys and clothes. The same could be sold or given to the needy. Orientation program by Rotarian Rajkumar and Rotarian Tyagu. Say if the youngsters are given half day by putting forward questions and answers. A memento was awarded to Rotarian John by the President, Rotarian B.S. Ramesh. Rotarian Prabhakaran gave a speech and thanked the Rotarians for having come home and conducted the Rotary meet. He also assured that he will attend regular meetings once he gets well. President read out the WhatsApp message to all regarding the donation towards the Carmen sister who is undergoing treatment at SKS Hospital. He would contact Dr. Sam, Dr. Suresh and do the best regarding the bill discount. Vote of thanks by Secretary Rotarian Ajay. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary. Proposed by? We're going to propose Siju Sadanandan and seconded by Roshan Costa. Proposed by Siju Sadanandan and seconded by Roshan Costa. So now the topic that during my welcome speech I said regarding the first month projects and the meeting, how we conducted. So I need a feedback from our members how to conduct meeting in a better way. If any suggestions from our members, I welcome all the suggestions from our members, please. Just tell us how was the meeting and you can guide me how to conduct meeting in a better way. So thank you. Only you all can say.
President, with your permission. As I was coming up, I was talking to someone, I think Rotarian Soundar. I said if when I become president, I should start with a small snack and tea, just to keep the hunger at bay.
Okay. Then we'll discuss.
As a acting secretary, actually this was followed previously, but what happened is that day when we discussed about this, there was supposed to be no fellowship after the finish our tea snack, finish our meeting and go. Then we continued on with the fellowship, so that was stopped.
It's a small suggestion. Because there are definitely people thinking.
I think
on the
during
limit and
before MS period, we have
That we can discuss. That we can discuss maybe in the next agenda, next meeting. Seriously, we can, when quorum is there, we can discuss.
Regarding the meetings and all that, President is starting the meeting correct in time, whether people come or not, all that. There was a complaint that is during the thing that some projects were not informed well in advance and all that. There was some discussions going on. People are not here for discussing that. So,
Regarding that, I raised my apologies already. And second thing, okay, there was no much time to discuss because we already discussed in two meetings. I cannot prolong because that Annapurna Day is on June 1st. So we celebrated Annapurna Day only on 11th. That is the reason I was not in a position to discuss with the other members because it was discussed in previous meeting itself. And I've told my action plan during my installation that is going to ongoing project like 365 days. That is the reason we started. Okay, fine. And second thing, I've already promised regarding this project, I have no idea to collect any high collection from anyone else. The person is willing to give, let them give. We are not harassing anyone to give or contribute. That I'm doing it actually. Right now I'm doing it actually. Hope you can
Actually, this happened, I mean, this argument and all that was during the fellowship time. That time, Roshan told, anything you bring it in the meeting, don't bring it after the thing.
Yeah, I know. That's the reason I'm asking
That's the
suggestions
reason
from
we are
you.
in this matter.
Also important because I want to correct. I don't want to say that I do everything.
Because they should not again go and continue in the fellowship. It should
No,
not-
that we finish up everything here and go. That is
Because we are trying to get relaxed during the fellowship time. That time again the same topic coming, it's irritating.
serious.
No,
That will not. Yeah, that's okay. Anyone can say.
Dear President, I would like to substantiate, supplement our CSD session. Whatever regarding Rotary, our Rotary Club
Bring it directly in the
activity
meeting,
project,
finish it off.
let us finish within our business meeting. That's number one. And then number two, of course, I do raise my hand. I also agree that it's only voluntary only that we are contributing raise the one SIPA 25. We ever, in fact, I suggested, I supported that what do you call the project. I fully agree. I stand by my words. But one of our members expressed his concern.
No, I'm not saying anything.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಅದು ಏನನ್ನಾಗ you please come to a logical conclusion. What made us to take such a decision? You should convince him, that member. I am also a party to you in the sense we are all with you only. We have agreed. Individually I also agreed, but he is agreed person. He raised his opinion or suggestion, whatever you call it. It is a duty of the officers to convince him to make what made him to take such a stand. You deliberately when he comes, you
I
please
do my level.
follow.
Regarding this, I do my level. Seriously.
You can categorically say these are the things based on the circumstances I have taken.
Fine.
When this was discussion, I was with you. I also said yes. I came forward. I volunteered. With the mask I should give. Sorry, I will give tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
And then,
Any other?
President, one suggestion.
and then one more thing. Only one more thing. Last Friday, we had a zone meeting.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, our president, he was trying hell and heaven during our meeting at our Papa's place. He identified 3 members who attended the zone meeting, and he was going all around. And he was becoming a laughing stock. And I felt very bad. But by that, before we reached, everybody has seen this presentation on that video for that Punyapati, Rasan Galgo. Everybody appreciated. But unfortunately, we could not go in time because of the traffic and other issues. But why he has to go alone? What about the office bearers?
No, that is okay. That is not a part of this. We'll discuss later regarding.
No, matter that you can record it. அது பாருங்க, you please say that முடியலன்னா வேற யாராவது போலாமே.
Fine. No, I cannot, it's not a position to bring, take anyone because even Rajendra and Nasbi, even I don't mind to join. And because the zone meet, they're very particular about the president secretary and the zone chairs.
Exactly.
Zone chairs. And I was expecting you that day because you are the zone chair.
MS zone sir.
President, I expressed my regret.
Roshan had he informed me earlier because he was having a inspection in the school. Fine. That will be, that is not a problem.
Even I informed you.
Any other discussion?
Right.
Any other things? I'm sorry.
President, I was just thinking now, since we are celebrating our 25 years, probably every meeting could have some small interesting snippet from the history of our club.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Why don't we can do that
No,
also?
say again. What is?
No, so we have completed 25 years of our club.
Okay.
So every meeting, probably one small interesting fact about a club. When was it founded or something like that, so that everybody will be informed of it. And my personal suggestion, President, is you please have an orientation meeting for all the new members.
That's
We have already discussed this in the previous meeting, so we really need to come. Because some of us, we have already forgotten. We have been there, the pets and sets, over a period of time it has been eroded. It's time we renew certain.
That we'll do, seriously. We'll consider and we'll put it in the meeting and we'll finalize that. That is not issue at all, because we can even straight away we can do that.
So I can tell you honestly one thing. In the district training seminars that I've been to and the zone meetings that I've seen, the pets and sets that I've seen, most of the time they tell you it's all in the book. All of what is in the book. But actual practical hands-on training only the veterans will know. So it's better that we come forward, we give a short seminar kind of thing, then invite suggestions, invite questions and queries. That will only help our club to become more interactive and more dynamic.
That is, the new members should come for the meeting.
And they will come.
Yeah, they-
You watch them.
We'll make some arrangements like, this is my idea, because I've been telling everyone that from the MS period, and of course, we'll have one guest speaker for every meeting.
Yes.
That I don't want to bring anyone from outside, because we have around 23 members, 26 members, 27 members. 27 months, 27 weeks can have,
Yes.
and rest of the meeting, one alternatively, one meeting our member and another meeting some person from outside. So from different category people, just want to bring them and get some knowledge, ideas. So that is there already. That of course after this COVID, then I thought I can implement that in the meeting.
Finally, I'd like to place on record from my side thanks for bringing all of us Rotarians together at a lovely spot. Where 21 of us, a huge number gathered
Yes, yes.
over there. It was really phenomenal. And
Very good.
it was so good that we had Rotarians, our own Rotarians coming from Salem for the meeting.
Yeah,
It's
seriously.
unprecedented, number one. And number two, I just hope that
Especially here, I just want to say that we need to thank our chairman for the special project, because that meeting, chairman was not Siju Sadanandan. Any appreciation, it goes to him only. He's always doing good job, and of course, in addition, he has done excellent job. And this is more than an installation function we had that day, because all our old members, started members, and almost 21 members.
And it was nice to
first
see
time
members of the
RCC
RCC also there. It was nice to
For
see
the regular meeting, 21 people, that is almost 85% of attendance.
85% of attendance. It was
Attendance.
phenomenal.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
I thank our members, because one thing, without your support, we can't do it. This is a basic thing.
It was good.
We took some really memorable photos also.
Yeah, seriously.
Of all the
After the meeting, during fellowship, our Rajendran started crying, because he said, I never forget this day, because it's one of the memorable day, and said, and finally he complimented something to our members and went out. That was really nice, touching. Good.
Congratulations, President Gonsi.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Regarding this Annapurna meeting, we have promised Prince for 365 days. Generally, what is the problem in our meeting, in our club is July, August, September, October, there won't be problem. Because everyone's birthday and all that. That way, I'm just checking the list of birthdays. After October, number of birthdays are reducing. So automatically, number of bags is going to reduce. And in this 4 months also, if you see, those who visually we are going to contribute, we are told no hand collection. So what we are going to do about the shortage, because now if you start planning only, by that time you will get a conclusion for that. Otherwise you promise them, and if you don't give it, means it won't be nice. So plan it out according to that.
That will do, boss.
Because it's not late now, it's only 1 month.
No, I just wanted only.
Till September you won't have any problem. Till October, that whose birthday, Roshan, Ramesh birthday continuously it comes. Now which month is it? October. After October you will have problem.
So this one overall, myself.
That is,
Christy.
two people have agreed, Christy and you. Christy has told not now, when he gets
Even
the
Christy should not be our lateral thought. Myself and
It's very-
Praveen.
promise பண்ணது நீங்களும் பிரவீன் சார்
One more.
அவ்வளவுதான் ராஜ்குமார் is not ready for it, he told.
That's not an issue. Fine.
Huh?
No need to
Hand
discuss
collection
anything
is
else.
not for it, he told.
If there's no
Is there-
willing,
his
if there's no
situation is
willing,
not-
no need to discuss anything.
Sure, sure.
Let them come with the open
Yeah, you have to give
heart.
exceptions to certain people.
Yes,
So
yes.
that itself, when we discuss that itself,
No,
he told
during
that not.
COVID, I don't want to force any of our member to do
Yes.
this. I'm very particular that, and we'll ask,
So
because
this
now
month
we
2 bags is
really,
confirmed. CV sir.
that won't be a problem. This. We'll
Another
try to
one
do
more
something.
we have to
We'll try to do something.
do something.
Right. Sure. Yes.
Regarding that 1 month meeting feedback, why don't we continue that online meeting continuously? Because a lot of people are not able to come, so you have to connect with them. But I am planning to give one simple solution. If Zoom means there is a lot of problem, duration 40 minutes, and somebody has to generate for password, and everybody send the link and all. Now that Zoom, Google Duo is having 31 members can join in the meeting.
13 or 11?
31 members can join the meeting. So why don't we make all join in that? Make some small process only. Who are all not having Google Duo, you ask them to download Duo. That's it. Google, lot of people are using. So most probably in their mobile, by default, the Google Duo is there. So we connect that and make it like a call.
No,
Who are all
without-
here,
without-
simply make. No, anybody can make it. It's
That's the
a
thing. Without getting any permission from our members and the discussion, I don't want to put it to the discussion now. Just I ask my degree to do this meeting. Even you can do that next week. Next
No,
week.
if
After
if
release we can
Duo
have-
is there,
Or
it's a
check
call
in the
kind of
personal,
thing.
or
Anybody
Zoom,
can do.
or
Just touch
personal.
the
Until
group
they don't
call.
know.
Just touch the group call and keep the
Play
camera.
கூட்டா நல்லா இருக்கு.
Google Duo ல உங்களுக்கு
ஆ.
So, இப்போ அந்த கூகுள் டியோ பண்ற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா நாளைக்கு மினிட்ஸ் போடுறோம்ல இந்த மினிட்ஸ் will tell that Thiagu has suggested
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
members to go in for Google
No,
Duo.
we try to
They
do
get
that
ready
first.
for
And
the
we
next
can,
meeting.
the thing is, we'll inform the people to download. Only the thing that download, we need to download the app alone. We are not required to
Because
use
in
any
today's
phone.
Zoom meeting, how many people are there outside?
No, Zoom.
Outside
No,
only.
no, Zoom.
No,
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 no.
no.
That's what I
Actually,
told.
Sundaresan sir was interested. He came for 2-3 meetings in Zoom. Then he had that problem of what Thiagu told.
Then
No, what I'm telling
People
you,
from Salem.
Zoom is having lot of problem. One thing is somebody has to generate password and he has to tell within 40 minutes that will be going off. So better connect everybody in the Duo who is here available. They'll make simple group call, just tab like call, video call and keep it to the mobile. Anybody can do.
Yeah, we can,
So, that you
and we can
continue.
try it out in the next meeting.
Next meeting,
We can try it out, no issue at all.
Yeah, overall not having problem, we'll attend personally and make them to download Duo. Simple.
I suggest you can have alternative weeks. 1 week Duo, 1 week personal.
No,
No.
Just a no.
What I'm telling,
Personal
meeting இருக்கும் அந்த ஆன்லைன் ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்தல ஏன்னா lot of people are for example Salem people not able to come.
Okay.
But why don't they miss the
Let's
opportunity?
implement that's true. That's good idea. We'll appreciate Thiago for this and we'll do that in the next meeting.
Next meeting we try to make in the
Yes,
Duo.
yes.
No problem.
And I'm sorry, I'm very sorry because we supposed to have a project today, Go Green Showerrise. Due to unavoidable circumstances, it is cancelled and not cancelled today, it's cancelled today and it is postponed to some other day coming to the chairman. Because we're not able to get any chapels because the duration is very short now. And this year because of pandemic, COVID-19, everybody started showing interest in agriculture now.
Yes.
And there's too much of plants shortage. I came to know that is the reason we are not able to do it today. And regarding that, our chairman will speak. What is the problem? Why is this?
Dear friends, good evening.
Sit here.
The Go Green project, see the project is ready with all responsibilities for everyone and everything. But then basic things are not available. Like the seeds, first the seeds. This particular season, because of the very good rainfall, what happened? All the seeds which fell on the ground started germinating. So you're not getting proper seeds. That's number one reason. Then plants also. I went to almost all the forest destinations in Salem district, but definitely there are no seedlings available. And due to Corona, that's also another major reason that people don't come to work. Say in what's that place again? Siddharkoil. People from Dharmapuri, they come and fill the bags, it seems. So they can't come to Salem district. So they're not able to fill the bags. And of course, they didn't do their basic homework also of collecting the seeds also. So that is one side. Now we can get a minimum amount of seedlings, but the thing is, like we were discussing over this week, that if we plant sapling, it should definitely come up. That's the concept. Okay. So that there also there's a hindering thing. Like I asked for the quotation for a tree guard, and they're quoting 1,700 rupees
Tree guard,
for tree guard. Yeah.
it is-
Tree guard.
that will not work for our budget.
Cricket guard
It's
is
not going to
cheaper.
work. So,
Cricket guard is cheaper.
no, we should think of something cheaper and.
Yeah, the tree guard is that the Kohli wala mari,
Yeah.
with the steel frame
With the
or
steel
without the
frame,
steel
with
frame.
No, no, that of course we can
That's straight
try it
from
out from the different places that, I mean the Savarna Bhavan or AVR groups, they're always contribute, I mean sponsoring for this with the advertisement board. We can try it out.
Okay. Anyway, let's see.
That will be if it's on the main road or.
Yeah, that should be in the main road, should be in the main road.
So that is one drawback. So forget about all that. Now seed balls. So I found a place where you can get seed balls for 1 rupee each. So we thought we'll go 1,000 seed balls. That doesn't need to be discussed. Seed balls, 1 ball is 1 rupee. Okay, that seems to be okay. That we can get. And the place I need some suggestions now. See, Annapunga now. It's very bad. Not Annapunga. Gandhi Punga is very bad. If you go inside and see now.
That the council will finish off.
Yeah. So if you don't have a tree guard, it's not going to come up. And the place is so shabby that definitely they're not going to maintain. So I felt this volleyball court is good. There we can plant some chilies, that will definitely come up. So any other suggestions is welcome. Like any other place you suggest. Like I suggested Ramesh's 1 acre plot in this thing, Munuvi. So he's got a fence, he's got something, but he's got to give us lunch in the afternoon. So that's the terms and conditions. Okay. So any other spots you have in mind? Ajit, your school or something?
Even here, Gandhipunga, the Rex is there.
Congress office.
Rex is there.
After this Congress plus.
Rex is the main guy there.
Okay.
To good or bad. So put him as the main person and ask him to start planting, it will work out.
And if it's like that means you need not put even the tree guard also. That outside one gate if you spend is enough. If the gate is closed means automatically no cow is going to go. Because
Okay.
I don't think it's the
That is
water,
correct.
only
He's
that one
he's the
gate.
main person there.
For Gandhi Punga.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. But they're using it for other purposes, no? Like
No, no.
selling vegetables and all.
That is only for during COVID time.
Now it's gone back to normal.
No.
Now they have messed it up and they left.
So I think few volunteers just want you to come and visit that place and then suggest.
You can't manage it.
Gandhi Punga.
Actually, there's some silver oak trees on that side, from Mulgabavan till that last
Correct.
silver oak trees
See,
already.
there we can put Jamaican cherry. Tomorrow anything also they can sit underneath and sit and discuss or sit down or anything can be done. Instead of putting big trees. like- Don't put silver rock there.
Okay.
Because silver rock may anytime fall.
Yeah. Then yesterday I was talking to my friend. I mean, I didn't think of him. He's an IFS officer at Jammu and Kashmir cadre. But then, I mean, usually we don't think of him. But he's in Coimbatore and he said he will help us in getting seeds. I said we are planning around 2,500 seeds roughly. So he said 2,500 seeds. Out of 1,000 only some 10 to 20 plants will come out. So we plan, I mean, if you are going to think of doing any seed thing, at least 10,000 you should do.
10,000. Then only it will come 1,000 to 200. Then only 10% will come.
100%. This seed balls also, I mean, there's a better model where everyone have a small crowbar. So you just poke it, put the seed inside and
Close it.
Close it.
so that has more chance of
Growing.
So that's the latest technology, sir. So that was a good suggestion actually. Because we throw the balls and it will go land somewhere, may not come out.
Sometimes it will roll down also. That's what he said, no? Sometimes it will roll
It will
down.
go get stuck between the rocks. Something don't come out.
As per the Bible.
Why? Oh yeah.
Okay, that's one. And the other thing is, you can even, if you have anybody good contact with Rasi Seeds, they were interested a few years back to do aerial seeding itself for haircut.
That is in 2004.
So in the same thing, we can ask them for some seeds. whatever seats, according to the terrain, we can ask them. See, from Salem happened when you're saying, the elevation counts. So you can't put high altitude seats down. So according to you, have to plan.
1,000 to 2,000 feet, whatever crows I said. So my friend said he will help us.
Yeah.
So he get us seats.
No, if anybody knows RC seats, you can contact them also.
Okay, let's see. So this is the status now. So I made a full list of the whole project, but then it just depends on how much we are going to take it up, whether as a big project or a small project. Small project means very simple, 25 seedlings.
That's
Landed
not possible
neatly.
because I told you the day, very particular, if you do some project, it should be in a proper manner and little bit higher volume. Because when you do something, because 25 chaplains for Rotary, because we already have almost office of 28 members. So we'll consider, we'll discuss about that.
This 25 is for the year 25 and rest all seed balls. Seed ball concept and
The simple. I want to tell one suggestion.
We can even
Regarding
sponsor.
that Go Green project, the last time when Sankar Krishnan is coordinated, no? That time also I felt one thing. We almost applied for some of the schools. One day we spent, myself and Suresh and all. Because of that tree guard, no? The thing is almost failure. So, saplings, whenever you are putting saplings in the public places, instead of more number, plan for a tree guard and place it on the proper places.
And there's
Minimum number with the proper solution. Make it more.
I asked for 200 rupees.
Yes, I'll tell you one
Whether you
thing.
get a tree guard.
No, practically, if you are putting a plan, definitely it will not come in the public place. Because,
Right, exactly.
for example, I'll tell you, in my place, lot of goats and other things coming and spoiling everything. So, if you are make it any public place sampling, please make it tree guard. Instead of we are going large number without tree guard, make it decent number and make it some workable solution for growing the plants.
See this Gandhi Park you're planning to see tomorrow. Just see the feasibility of it. How many things can be planted? Whether it has to be cleaned, and whether that Rex or whoever is the judge, whether he will take responsibility of taking care of it.
Sometimes
Why
balls are
is
playing
it?
cricket instead. I think.
Like cricket also not an issue. You can ask that guy because Rex is having this patra now. You can ask, tell him we are doing this kind of thing. Why doesn't he sponsor the tree guards? He'll be having scrap iron. He can use that.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, we can use cheaper materials.
Yeah,
also.
cheaper materials
This
we can
bamboo
Yeah,
things.
some அதுக்கு நம்ம ஆல்டர்னேட் பண்ணலாம்.
Bamboo
அது எப்படி கம்மி பண்ணலாம்
or,
Scrap iron.
Chicken mesh.
Yeah, and chicken mesh. Something you can do, but then I don't know how long it's going to last.
Yeah, after Go Green also, now which are the schools having compound
That,
only,
of course, we
that
need to
grow
think
very
about
nicely.
if we are very
No
particular.
compound schools, no any plant.
No, if you are very particular to have a, what is it?
Tree guard.
Tree guard, then that we can use it for public image also, because there's a page where we can use public image, because there's the only way we can.
Can advertise on
Yeah.
that.
No, just to put one board, we can get some sponsorship from other side. I mean, other than we can get sponsorship. Let them put their board and
Only
we
some
also
are
put Rotary board in that.
Like AVL has done for Roundtown. We can get somebody.
No, already Roundtown has given to AVR. Sanjay is doing
Now we can do something.
ஏவிஆர் இந்த பெரிய குரூப் இருக்குல்ல அவங்க கிட்ட கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா வாட் தே வில் டு இஸ் இட்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஃபார் த பப்ளிசிட்டி ஆஃப் தெம் தே டு ஃபார் 10-15. If this COVID problem was not there, maybe we can discuss this after this COVID problem once the hotels open. For average keep 200 hotels in Erkal. If